What if I told you that three of the world's most powerful men, Tim Cook, Donald Trump, and Elon Musk, unexpectedly crossed paths on one unforgettable night? A night filled with mystery, whispers, and secrets at the exclusive MAR-A-Lago estate. Stay with us as we uncover the story that left everyone speechless. Setting the stage. The story begins on a warm Florida evening at MAR-A-Lago, the luxurious estate owned by former President Donald Trump. The estate, adorned with glittering chandeliers and gold accents, radiated opulence and power. The air was heavy with anticipation as some of the most influential figures from politics, business, and media gathered for a private event. This wasn't just another glamorous night. There was an air of mystery surrounding this particular occasion. Among the guests was Tim Cook, the reserved yet brilliant CEO of Apple. Known for his calm demeanor and razor-sharp focus, Tim's presence at such a politically charged venue raised eyebrows. Why was he there? Was it a business opportunity, a political alliance, or something more personal? What could possibly bring the tech giant into Trump's world? As the evening progressed, whispers of speculation filled the grand ballroom. Some theorized that Cook was there to discuss Apple's role in reshaping the American economy. Others suggested he might be seeking support for new sustainability initiatives. Yet nothing could prepare the attendees for what was about to unfold. Tim Cook meets Donald Trump. In one corner of the room, Tim Cook and Donald Trump stood face to face. The contrast between the two figures was striking. Trump, with his signature bravado, appeared animated, gesturing widely as he spoke. His booming voice, filled with authority, echoed softly against the walls of the room.
Regulations for every new one. You put a new regulation on, you have to get rid of 10, and we'll be able to do it.
Tim, on the other hand, remained composed, his piercing eyes fixed on Trump as he listened intently. Sources close to the event later revealed fragments of their conversation. They talked about the future of American innovation and manufacturing, a topic that held immense weight for both men. Trump, ever the advocate for America first, emphasized the importance of bringing jobs back to the US. Meanwhile, Cook outlined his vision for a future driven by technology, sustainability, and global collaboration. Though their ideologies seemed worlds apart, there was an undeniable undercurrent of mutual respect and a shared understanding of the stakes involved. Their conversation was interrupted by the soft chime of crystal glasses, signaling the start of dinner. Yet the weight of their exchange lingered, sparking quiet murmurs among the other guests. The shocking arrival. As the night unfolded, the unexpected happened. The grand doors of MAR-A-Lago opened with a creak, and in walked Elon Musk. Dressed in a simple black blazer over a white t-shirt, he exuded an effortless confidence that immediately captured the room's attention. His entrance was unannounced, and his name wasn't on the official guest list. The room's chatter fell silent, replaced by the soft hum of curiosity and disbelief. Elon's sudden appearance felt almost theatrical, as though he'd arrived with a purpose too urgent to delay. Some guests exchanged puzzled glances. Was he there to deliver a warning? To join a secretive alliance? Or perhaps to challenge the status quo in his signature, unfiltered style? With an unhurried stride, Elon made his way across the room, his sharp eyes scanning the crowd. Finally, he reached Tim Cook and Donald Trump, who stood frozen, their earlier conversation forgotten. The tension was palpable as the three titans of industry and influence faced each other for the first time that evening. The mysterious conversation. For the next 20 minutes, the three men engaged in a conversation so intense that the rest of the room seemed to fade into the background. Guests watched from afar, their curiosity growing with every passing second. Trump's expressions were a whirlwind of emotions: curiosity, amusement, and even moments of astonishment. Tim Cook's normally reserved demeanor shifted, his brows furrowing as he considered Elon's words. And Elon, usually known for his quips and playful smirks, was deadly serious, his tone measured and deliberate. Though no one could hear the details, body language spoke volumes. At one point, Trump's booming laughter echoed across the room, followed by a firm handshake with Elon. Tim Cook nodded slowly, his lips pressed into a thin line, as though he'd just been presented with a challenge he couldn't ignore. Speculation ran wild among the onlookers. Were they discussing the future of AI, space colonization, a secret initiative to reshape the global economy? The possibilities seemed endless, and the lack of answers only deepened the intrigue. Elon's cryptic departure. Then, just as suddenly as he arrived, Elon Musk turned and left. He walked briskly through the grand doors of MAR-A-Lago, disappearing into the warm Florida night. He didn't stop to speak to anyone. He didn't even glance back. His abrupt departure left the room in stunned silence, with more questions than answers. What had driven him to MAR-A-Lago that night? What had been said in those crucial 20 minutes? And why had he left without so much as a farewell? Tim Cook and Donald Trump stood together in the aftermath, their faces unreadable. There was a gravity to their expressions that suggested something monumental had just occurred, something far too important to share with the world just yet. The aftermath. The event may have ended, but the mystery surrounding it only deepened. News of Elon's surprise visit spread like wildfire. Within hours, social media was ablaze with theories. Some claimed it was a secretive deal to combat climate change. Others believed it marked the beginning of a new space race. Conspiracy theorists even speculated about the formation of a shadowy cabal shaping the future of humanity. Reporters scrambled for answers, but none of the three men provided clarity. Tim Cook remained tight-lipped, his focus seemingly unchanged as he returned to his role at Apple. Donald Trump, when asked, brushed off the event as a friendly gathering of brilliant minds. And Elon Musk, ever enigmatic, tweeted a single cryptic message: "Sometimes you just need to show up." The bigger picture. In a world dominated by power, wealth, and ambition, moments like these remind us of the humanity behind the headlines. Three men, each a symbol of influence in their own right, came together in an unscripted moment that defied explanation. Was it a meeting of minds to solve a pressing global crisis? Or a mere coincidence of egos colliding in the night? The truth remains elusive, locked away in the minds of those who were there. But as history has taught us, even the most enigmatic moments have a way of shaping the future in ways we cannot yet comprehend. Perhaps one day, the secrets of that night at Mar-A-Lago will be revealed. Until then, we are left to wonder, to speculate, and to imagine the possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most intriguing nights in recent history. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating tales of power, mystery, and the unexpected. Until next time, stay curious.